Hey everybody, today's the big turn-in day for the Pasta Bridges assignment. So remember, we're going to go right here to our structural engineering unit. Not what sure that is, so let's just get rid of that thing right now. Okay, so we're going to go to structural engineering right here, and we're going to open our Pasta Bridges assignment. Yeah, I know it says due tomorrow, but that's because I'm recording this the day before it's due, so it's due for you today, and you'll see it'll say due today. So you're going to open that up, and there's some things that you're going to need, and keep in mind, mine looks a little different from yours because I'm a teacher. So you're going to want to make sure that you have your design brief open. And remember, yours is in the your work section. Very good. Then you're going to want to make sure you have this little Pasta Bridges form. We filled it out last class, but there were too many mistakes, so we're going to do it again. And then you'll see you have an example of what your thing should look like. So we'll open that up as well to kind of show you what things should look like. And I'll kind of shuffle things around here, so maybe it makes a little bit more sense. Okay, so here we are. This is your design brief. You're going to start by opening it up and following the directions. Please complete each bracketed section by filling in, linking to, or add, blah, blah, blah. Okay, remember to delete the actual brackets after you've completed them. So let me show you what that means. Right now, here's the name of the person who helped you. So we're going to say Jimmy, Bob, Sue, Ann the third. Okay, so Jimmy, Bob, Sue Ann the third was the person who helped you. That's your collaborator, so you're going to put their name in there. Then your materials list. What's your bridge made out of? Hint, hint, pasta and glue. Please make sure to delete the stuff you don't need. So delete number 3, blah, blah, blah. Remember, delete the brackets, delete the brackets. Yes, it'll stay blue, but I don't want to see this bracketed stuff on it. Tools that you use. Now, you're going to have to do more than 3 things here, so just hit after you type in here, let's pretend you're going to type in here, I use parchment paper. Well, if you need another one, you just hit, and it'll automatically, and then please delete that out when you're done. Okay. So we're going to fill that out. Now, we've already done this. This is your evidence of research. So you have your research in here. And then this is your evidence of planning. So you have your drawings in here. And then this is your evidence of building. Now, we built, most people built for 4 days, some as many as 6 days. So you should have one photo for each day that you built. So, you're going to have 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know how many you have, but make sure you have all your days in there, please. And if you have any extras, you can just left click anywhere in here, highlight that, right click, and delete row, right? Just like that, and it'll go away. If you need a new row, you can right click in this white here, and you can say insert row below, and then left click, highlight everything, Control C, and then Control V, and you can just copy that in there. So you can add or subtract what you need. So clean that up and make that look nice. Now in your final project here, you have all those pictures. You should have 4, 1 of each truss, that's 2, 1 of your deck, that's 3, and 4 is that image like you're walking into it. And then you have your strength that you got from when we broke your bridge and the weight that we got from when you weighed your bridge. Now, this is what we're going to be doing today. You're going to be completing Artifact 4 evaluation, and I have a tutorial right here for you. Now, oh, Mr. Schroeder, my document doesn't look like that. That's A-okay. All you need to do is go down here to the tutorial section and watch this one right there, how to complete Artifact 4. So it'll show you how to complete Artifact 4. Then when you're done, it'll be right in here. So let me show you what an example of a finished ready to turn in project looks like, and we're going to go right here. Okay, so we're going to start by showing, yep, we have Artifact 1, it's all turned in, and hey, bingo, we have Artifact 2, all turned in, and yep, there it is, Artifact 3, it shows the cut list on the first day, and look at that, man, so fast, got that first truss done, then the second truss done, then the deck done, and then it's all put together. That's a solid 4-day build. Look at that, that's great. Here are those pictures showing me all those bridges in all of where they need to be. And then we have the strength here and the weight here. And then she watched that tutorial and completed it exactly as it should be and did everything. That is ready to turn in, and on your screen right up in here, it's going to look a little different. There'll be that turn in button. Please make sure to turn that work in. Now, when you're done with that, go over here and let's complete this again, but let's do it right. So please make sure that you add your last name, then your first name, last name, comma, first name. Please do it that way. Then select the type of bridge that you use. That's easy enough. Now type in your strength. This is the strength that you got off the bridge tester. Then type in your weight. This is the weight that you got off of this scale. And then calculate the ratio and type it down. And let's make sure that we do it correctly. First, you type in the strength, and then you hit the divide button, and then you type in the weight, and then you type that number out to 5 digits to the right of the decimal. So let's say it's 1.11111. You need all those numbers, and please make sure you use a decimal. Some of you didn't do that last time. And please make sure that if there's a 0 in there, you're using the number 0, not the letter O. I did have a couple people do that. And then just submit that, and I'll show you next class how you finished up in regards to everybody in both classes. That's going to be great. Now, when you're done with that and you've turned it in, you're going to go all the way down to the bottom of the page, and there's going to be a substitute activity for you. You've done these before, so you're going to get to do that, another substitute activity. And that is a personal assignment. Headphones on, please. It's not a shared assignment. Okay. Good luck. Remember, the tutorial that you need can be found for Artifact 4. It can be found in the classwork section. If it's not attached to your design brief, you can find it right down here in the tutorial section under the name How to Complete Artifact 4. All right, good luck.